Hi, hello friends. In this video, we are going to say about introduction to Unit 1 for object-oriented programming using Java, and it is for ECE students. So in last video, we saw about procedural and object-oriented programming and differentiation and comparison about these two things. So in this video, we are going to see about OOPS. OOPS is nothing but object-oriented programming, and object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm, and it is based on concepts of objects and which contains data and methods. So it helps to create modular and reusability and maintainable code, and it is easy to make it is easier to manage and extend the software systems. And the basic concepts of OOPS involves six things. One is object, class, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphisms. In this video, we are going to focus on object and classes, and next video about encapsulation and abstraction, and third video about inheritance and polymorphism. So now we will see about objects and classes. So consider this example. So in order to create an car or manufacture a car, we will have some mold or template or blueprint for it. So that will be called as class. So blueprint, template or model will be called as class. So by using that particular mold, we can create n number of cars. So those individual cars are called as objects. So to show this example, I will tell you while manufacturing the bricks, we have molds, right? So by using the molds, cements or red brick soils are filled. From that mold, we can create n number of bricks. So in the same way, the blueprint and template for car is created, and it is used to do manufacturing process, and those outcomes are called as objects. So imagine here we have a template. See this. So this is a car, and by using constructor we can create n number of cars. So each car differs with colors and models and all, but the blueprint for car is same one. In the same way, objects may differ with the features or characters or behaviors, but the template for the car is same one. See this example. So car is a class. From the class, we are creating three cars. It is of green, red, and blue color. So model for the cars differs, and model company for the car also differs, and the fuel or electric or diesel series also differs. But the template for the cars are same. So this is what object. So we can tell in simply we can tell class and objects. Class is an blueprint or template. Object is an instance of class. So for class we have two components. One is attributes and methods. For object we have two components, state and behavior. So for class, attributes, they are variables that holds the data specific to the class, and sometimes it is also called as properties or fields. Methods is nothing but functions. For objects, states specifies the specific value to the object's attributes, and it is behavior is nothing but the methods. So we will see an example. So object and class. So here student is a class. In that, states and behaviors, name, age, colors, and gender is also called these are called as states, and eating, drinking, the functions are called as behaviors. So we have n number of objects, we have n number of students. So individual students record will differ from each other. So those individual students called as objects. I feel you clearly understood about objects and class. In next video we will see about abstraction and encapsulation. Thank you.